In this lesson, we will explore how to detect clicks on the map. Click events are the starting point for many interactive features, such as adding markers or retrieving coordinates. We can attach an event listener using map.addListener and pass the click as the event. When we click anywhere on the map, this callback function will be called, and we can show a simple alert. This alert will confirm that the event was fired. Let's test it out. When I click anywhere, we can see the alert. The click event also gives us the exact latitude and longitude coordinates. We can capture them using event.latlong.lat for the latitude, and we can get the longitude using event.latlong.long function. We can display these coordinates in the alert message. Let's try it out. When I click anywhere, I can see these coordinates in the alert message. This is how we can capture click events and retrieve precise coordinates of the map. This forms the foundation for adding interactivity.